If you're watching this, you already know something fundamental that most people are choosing to ignore. The world is changing faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It is the most significant technological shift since the dawn of the internet. It is not the future anymore. It is the present. It is the invisible force reshaping how we live, work, and earn. And while most people are still mindlessly scrolling through social media, consuming content that keeps them stuck, a small percentage are quietly building massive income streams powered by AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to join them. This is the moment you transition from being a consumer to becoming an architect of the new economy. In this 12-minute masterclass, we are going to deconstruct the exact strategies that these AI architects are using to build wealth in 2026. I'm going to show you 5 AI side hustles that almost nobody is talking about yet, but that have serious, life-changing earning potential. These aren't just ideas. They are execution-ready blueprints. We will break down the exact tools, the pricing models, and the scaling strategies for each one. Make sure you watch until the very end, because number 5 might be the most scalable asset you can ever build. Michael is here to guide you through the noise and give you the truth. Let's get started. Side hustle number 1, AI content automation for small businesses. Think about the thousands of local businesses, the real backbone of our economy, that don't know how to use AI. They are overwhelmed, understaffed, and falling behind their competitors. Restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, and coaches. They all need a consistent digital presence to survive, but they don't have the time or the expertise to manage it. They are shouting into a void while their competitors are using advanced algorithms to steal their customers. They are losing money every single day because they are stuck in the analog world. This is where your opportunity lies. You can offer a premium agency-level service where you create their entire content ecosystem, social media posts, email newsletters, blog content, and even SEO-optimized product descriptions. Using AI tools like ChatGPT for strategy and professional image generators like Midjourney for visuals, you can deliver elite quality in a fraction of the time. You charge them between $300 to $1,000 per month per client. Because you automate 80% of the work using tools like Zapier and custom GPTs, your margins are massive. One client can already replace a part-time job income. 5 clients? Now you're building a 6-figure agency that runs almost entirely on autopilot. This is about selling results, not hours. Side hustle number 2, AI faceless YouTube channels. The era of needing a big personality and a camera crew is over. You don't need to show your face or even record your own voice to build a digital empire. Most people are held back by fear of being on camera, fear of what people will think. AI removes that barrier completely. You can use AI to generate viral-ready scripts, AI for professional-grade voiceovers, and AI for high click-through rate thumbnails. This allows you to focus purely on the strategy, the data, and the scalability. You are the owner of the channel, not just the talent. This is true digital leverage. Build niche channels around finance, motivation, tech, or even luxury facts. One single monetized channel can generate a triple threat of income: ad revenue, high-ticket affiliate commissions, and digital product sales. This is long-term leverage. You build the content once, and it works for you forever. And the best part? It scales. You can run 10 channels as easily as one when you have an AI-driven production line. This is the ultimate playground for digital real estate. It's about owning the attention economy without the ego of being on camera. You are building a digital vault that pays you while you sleep, day after day, year after year. Side hustle number 3, AI prompt selling. Yes, prompts. In 2026, the prompt is the new source code. Companies are starting to realize that a generic prompt gives generic, useless results. They are looking for the keys, optimized, highly engineered prompts for marketing campaigns, complex sales funnels, high-converting ad creatives, and intricate automation workflows. They are willing to pay for results, and the result starts with the prompt. If you can master the language of the machines, you can sell the solutions to the humans. This is a skill that didn't exist 3 years ago, but it's now one of the highest-paying digital skills on the market. You can create specialized prompt packs, the secret sauce for business efficiency, and sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own dedicated website. It's a low-cost, high-margin business model. You build the pack once, and every sale is pure digital profit. We will go through the prompt engineering methodology and how to package your prompts into professional solutions rather than just lines of text. Position yourself as the expert today to profit from the demand of tomorrow. This is pure intellectual property that compounds in value as the models get more capable. You aren't selling text, you are selling time saved and efficiency gained. It is the ultimate lightweight business. Side hustle number 4, AI resume and LinkedIn optimization service. The job market is more competitive than ever. People want better jobs, higher salaries, and more freedom. They just don't know how to position themselves in the eyes of an algorithm. Most people treat their resume like a history book when they should be treating it like a sales page. You can use AI to rewrite resumes that beat the modern ATS systems, optimize LinkedIn profiles for maximum search visibility, and improve overall personal branding. This is about unlocking human potential and helping people get paid what they are truly worth. It is a high-value, high-impact service. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per client. This service works incredibly well on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where the demand is global and infinite. It's a simple service with fast delivery and high demand. We'll look at the specific prompts to uncover a client's hidden skills and how to use AI to generate personal branding blueprints that make them irresistible to recruiters. You are helping people unlock their career potential while you unlock your financial potential. Every client you help get a job is a testimonial that builds your brand. It's a win-win scenario powered by the speed of AI. This is about selling results, not hours. It is the fastest path to earning your first $1,000 online. Side hustle number 5, AI Micro SaaS Builder. This one is the crown jewel of scalability. Using no-code tools and AI, you can create small digital tools that solve one specific painful problem for a niche audience. Think about the boring problems: caption generators for short-form creators, email subject line optimizers for marketers, fitness planners for busy parents, or budget calculators for freelancers. These are the tools people rely on every single day to get their work done. And because they are small, you can build them faster than ever before using the power of AI to generate the logic and the code behind the scenes. You build the tool once. Users pay you monthly for the access. This is the magic of recurring revenue, the absolute holy grail of business. This is how you move from a side hustle that depends on your time to a digital asset that creates wealth while you sleep. The micro SaaS model is the ultimate endgame because it has the highest valuation when you're ready to sell. You are no longer just a worker. You are a digital landlord owning high-value real estate in the digital world. This is the path to true independence in the AI era. It's the most difficult, but the most rewarding path on this list. It is the definition of scaling your income to infinity. But here's the deepest secret. AI is not the opportunity. Information is not the opportunity. Execution is. Most people will watch this entire video, nod their heads, and then go back to their old habits. They will remain consumers. But you are different. You stayed until this point because you're ready to become a creator. The barrier to entry isn't your bank account. It's your mind. Most people fail because they lack the delayed gratification required to see the process through. Building wealth is like planting a tree. You water it for years before you taste the fruit. Master your mind, and you master your future. Very few will actually take action. If you want to be part of the small percentage that actually builds something meaningful, you must start today. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment the word AI below right now so Michael knows you're serious about this journey. And tell me which of these 5 side hustles you're going to try first. Let's start a conversation in the comments. Because the difference between being broke and being free is one thing: action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The moment is now. Michael is here to give you the blueprint, but you have to build the house. The tools are ready. The market is ready. Are you? Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires the discipline to say no to short-term pleasures for long-term power. Don't look for the shortcut. Look for the work that is worth doing. Build something that outlasts your daily effort. This is the only path that truly leads to the exit of the rat race. Diversity is your armor against the unexpected. Stay vigilant, stay diversified, and keep building. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Trust the roadmap, respect the risk, and keep moving forward. The world is waiting for what you build. Build something that matters. We've covered the what, the how, and the why. Now, the when is up to you. Michael is here to guide you every step of the way, providing the tools and the truth you need to succeed. If you found value in this masterclass, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have much more to explore together on this path to freedom. Your journey starts now. Thank you for watching, and now it's time for you to get to work and build your future. We'll see you in the next chapter of your success story. Take the first step today. Good luck on your path to freedom. I'll see you in the next video. Now, Get to work. Your future self is waiting for you. Goodbye for now. Stay hungry, stay focused, and keep creating.